Alright, if you haven't noticed, the garage has been a mess the last couple days, hasn't it? Ignore my face. Having an argument with my dermatologist. So, we're getting some more work done on the garage, aren't we, Melissa? Because Melissa wanted to do something with the garage. Is that how it went?
You can say it.
All right. It's kind of a cool shot. All right, as you can see, the garage is in disarray. We have pulled all the cabinets, the TV, the entertainment center, all that type of stuff out. I don't know if I can get through here. I'm bad. This is where the workbench used to be with all the bourbon. That's where the bar back was with all the bourbon and stuff. And we have it all containerized over there. So the plan is we're going to put in built-in cabinets all the way across the back wall. It's going to be like cabinets below with a countertop that are hung to the wall, and then an upper row of cabinets on this side with glass doors, and then putting a new TV in the center. Going to have it all backlit and all that, and get everything organized and have everything cleaned up like it's a finished space. Melissa said she wants it to look just like her kitchen. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
So that's all happening in the next couple weeks or so. So that's what's going on in our lives. Hey, honey. Since we took all this stuff out of the back, I think I can get 2 more cars in here. What do you think? We don't even need kitchen cabinets anymore. Let's throw 2 more cars in here. What do you think?
Well, good luck with that.
Are you telling me that you're not going to say no?
I'm not saying yes.
It's our new chandelier, too, by the way. That came out cool, didn't it?
It looks stormy.
It
looks stormy.
It's our view.
What is that?
How cool is this? A great piece of property.
Poor cars.
It is a dump in here.